Okay, A-Team, it's your Captain Terrain, All Terrain Cleaning Solutions, LLC. As you see, visit us online at allterrain.com. Today here we're doing a pretty big gutter clean here on this house. We have 208 linear feet in totality. This particular roof is a metal shingle roof. And so on the particular gutters, as you see, we have moss, debris, and so we're gonna blow all the stuff off of the lip of the gutters themselves, and then we're gonna get inside the gutters there. You've probably seen some of that. I'll be showing you some of that. There's mulch and debris and sediment down there that needs to be rinsed out. And so, yes, come along with us in big clean. I want to say here this nice time during 2026, and don't stop. You got to stay on the grind. All right, for the Supreme Clean, you know the slogan, make that home. Now that we cleaned off the gutter guards, all the debris, underneath there, the sediment about that thick, 2 inches thick. And usually, what some people do is just kind of blow it out. But yeah, there's no blowing this out right here. But this thing is heavy. That's like, it's a deep clean. What you call terrain, call the professionals. We'll get it done for you the right way. Come out and assess and inspect. Always honest and transparent. So what you see in there is all the debris and the leaves right on the screens of the gutter guards. And we're blowing it off. We had to clean the guards off to get underneath to access all of the sediment and buildup which lay inside of the gutters. Now after blowing all the debris off, and you see all that sitting on the stairways, if we didn't get that off of there, that would have wound it up back inside of blocking the gutter guards, and some of it probably making its way in there. Yeah, when I look over, I put it over that way, look at that sediment. Thick, it's like paste, it's like cement. All right, so we did this whole area, this is 38 feet, and we're down to the very end of it, getting this stuff out. And this side will be, this whole front side, and that corner side is all done. The back side's ready to be brushed, and then we just have to go to the flip side of this particular, on the other side, the back side of here, and we'll have this all done. Making very good progress. And that's how you get that Supreme Clean. Look at those screens now. TERRAINE.com for the Supreme Clean. You have the slogan. Yes, sir. Getting it done. There's one name buzzing around town. All Terraine Cleaning Solutions, LLC, the beautifying, maintenance, and restoration cleaning experts. When it comes to the Supreme Clean, nobody beats
the A-Team. And this property here was serviced by All Terrain Cleaning Solutions, LLC, your beautifying maintenance and restoration experts. And every angle, every linear feet of gutters on this home was thoroughly cleaned. And we're coming to that time now, coming to the closure, says wrapping it all the way up 208 linear feet. For the supreme clean, make that phone number ring. For roof soft washing, house or exterior soft washing, dryer bit cleaning, bird proofing, solar panel cleaning, and more. allterraine.com.